Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how we can turn on or turn off subtitle. So grab your remote control and tap on the settings. Next, scroll down with arrows until you go for the accessibility, then tap on the right arrow. Let's scroll down and tap on the subtitle. And as you can see here, we can change the language of them. So for first one, we can change from Polish to English. And then when you go for the subtitle, you can simply turn it on or just turn it off by picking one of the options. And after that, you can just simply go back and it's finished. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.